Good morning to day 82. It's Sunday, we come here late. It's 20 to 11. The guys have been well working away. We're up on the roof doing their stuff. Come on now to put the camera up. Morning. All the boys concreting away as always. Lots of footings going on today, so most of the work they'll be doing today will be all in around the footings work. Out this ladder, that's actually filming. We get a good view actually whilst we're up here from as to what they're actually doing. So they're now tying together all the grids that they put together, and all of them are actually tied into the beams themselves as well. They go right around the outside, through the middle and across the actual complex itself, tying the whole thing together. And they'll all be poured at the same time. I must remember to talk to them about the actual, some of the columns that haven't been poured as well. So they're also pouring the footings in and around the spare guest unit, all by hand as well. Fair play to them. Stick this camera up. So now I'm down without breaking my own neck. So look what's going on. It's mainly the footings and the rebar. Morning guys. Yeah, they're pouring as much concrete in here as possible, so lots being done. Spin it around. So yesterday we came, obviously it was finished over here, so they're now carrying on here. All the way along. So that will connect up the guest bedroom. This is, the whole thing is one unit. And obviously that underneath here, underneath this, it's all going to be about 8-9 foot tall. Obviously that's where the fresh water is going to go. This will be full of this beautiful product. I would have thought that is going to be their main concentration for these guys, and then the other guys it's all roof rebar. So let's climb up and have a quick look. Everyone's got the same access idea. Again, health and safety wise, you wouldn't be able to do that in England, especially when you've got rebar all down here if you fell. This is Barbados. People are a little bit more responsible. So as you can see, they're tying all of it together. And this has all been done. These are all 2-inch smocks. That just keeps the whole grid off the surface by 2 inch. And then we're going to have to work out how we're going to cut the air conditioning traps and everything into all of this. There's a lot of it. As I said yesterday, the water and the gas will come through here somewhere because that's where the breakfast bar and the kitchen is going to be. Round about here is going to be the electrical and the comms units. All the electrics will come through here, so we'll have to do the same there. And then every room has got an inlet and outlet minimum. Some have got 2. This bedroom here will have an inlet underneath the bed and an outlet above one of the wardrobes, as will all the other bedrooms. And this bedroom here, this kitchen here, sorry, is quite big, so that'll have 2 inlets and 2 outlets, and so will the living room. But yeah, what a view. As you can see, if you stand up here, we've got another 6 or 7 inches to go on here. There's the sea. There's the northern area, and that's where the airport is. The airport's above that hill. You can sometimes hear the planes. And my wife, look. So yeah, that's pretty much where we are. So they've still got to do the boxing around the outside, and they've also still got to do the supports like they have here. They've got the supporting elements all the way around. And so Monday we'll meet the architect, and then from the architect we'll discuss measurement-wise where everything's going to go access through-wise. So it's really coming together though. Still lots to do, but really coming together. Great move. I'm here with the boss. Tasha's new little motor. Okay, so it's 5:30. The guys finish at 3:30 normally, but on a Sunday they definitely finish earlier. So let's have a look what they've done today, Callie, Eddie, Vane.
Okay. Be careful with all the mud that we did, Daddy.
Okay. Camera's still up filming.
Daddy, a lot of rocks.
So they've done the footings. So, they finished the footing to here. Finished the footing to there. Looks like they started doing something else over there. I'm not too sure what that is. Stay there for a second. Let's have a look what they've done over here. Oh, okay. That's probably the rebar element for the tank, I would have thought. The access that comes into here will be access from up here somewhere. So you'll go into the actual tank itself. So that might need to come out. And they've got to do one for there, these two tanks, and one at the end there as well. So they'll have to do 3 of those. Okay, so that's what that is. Footings are down, Caliedi vein. And then we'll have a look up on top of the roof. I'm not Mum.
I'm kidding. It was a joke.
Was it now?
What? Wait.
I'm gonna have, I'll strap on you in a minute. Let's have a quick look up on the roof and see what they've done on the roof, shall we?
Wait, we're going to walk on the roof?
You're not. You're staying there.
I was going to say.
I was going to say, you stay there.
Daddy, that's dangerous.
Sort of. Okay. So, all of it looks at height. So, I would say they finished nearly all of it off. So, it all looks to have smocks underneath. Maybe not as many smocks as they should have, but there's still quite a few. And it looks like they're all the steel work is at height. So that's done. They still haven't finished the boxing off around the outside, but so they need to do the box in the far corner over there. They've got to do the box in here, and then they've got to go around and support the whole thing as well. So that's still got to be done. Other than that, that seems to be their main aim for today. So not a bad day. Meeting the architects on site tomorrow, as we said. And I spoke to the owner today, and it's looking like we're aiming to pour Tuesday. That's the aim. Excuse me. So yeah, still work to be done, but another good day on site. So let's see how tomorrow goes.